In this video, I'm going to reveal to you 5 incredible skincare benefits of niacinamide. Niacinamide is gaining popularity in the skincare industry due to its versatility and visible results. Users have posted a huge number of stories and images documenting their results with niacinamide. Niacinamide is a subset of vitamin B3 and can be referred to as 2 names interchangeably. Keep watching this video to learn how this important vitamin can be used to visibly enhance your skin for a softer, smoother, and more balanced, younger-looking complexion. Here are 5 amazing benefits of niacinamide on the skin. Number 1. You can improve hydration with niacinamide. A key cause of dry or dehydrated skin is a weakened skin barrier that does not lock in moisture effectively. Niacinamide can help improve the skin's protective barrier by stimulating the synthesis of ceramides within the skin. Ceramides are important components of the skin and help maintain strong bonds between the cells to help strengthen the natural skin barrier. Niacinamide's role can therefore lead to an improved ability for the skin to retain moisture. Similarly, oily skin can be a result of moisture loss, leaving the sebaceous glands to work extra hard when the skin feels dehydrated. This increased oil level can result in a greasy skin texture due to the skin responding to moisture loss. To enhance the natural skin barrier, seal in the skin's moisture level with vitamin B3. Number 2. Niacinamide strengthens your skin against irritants. As outlined above, niacinamide has the ability to help improve the skin's natural protective barrier. A strong stratum corneum, or the outmost layer of skin, is the first line of defense against exposure to irritants that could be potential triggers for sensitive skin and other skin concerns. Many different skin conditions are a response to external aggravators like pollen, chemicals, artificial fragrances, and harsh weather, which may damage the skin barrier. Niacinamide can help boost the skin's ability to tolerate these external factors better through helping to strengthen the skin barrier. Number 3. Minimize signs of aging skin with niacinamide. Collagen is an important anti-aging protein that keeps the skin looking firm and youthful. However, when collagen production decreases, it can result in sagging skin with volume loss. Niacinamide has the ability to help improve the skin's collagen production, which results in visibly fuller skin with fewer fine lines and wrinkles. Incorporating niacinamide into a skincare routine can help manage signs of aging by helping to boost the skin's volume. Number 4. Niacinamide can visibly reduce environmental damage. A strong antioxidant, niacinamide is a powerful force against skin damage from environmental aggressors. Antioxidants have a strong ability to reduce oxidative stress, a harmful reaction that occurs when the skin is exposed to different external or internal elements. The skin produces free radicals when exposed to a range of lifestyle choices like UV exposure, smoking, pollution, diet, and more. Free radicals are unpaired and chaotic electrons that can harm healthy skin cells. However, antioxidants provide a singular electron to match and neutralize these free radicals. Antioxidants like niacinamide are important for visibly improving the skin's health and countering the visible effects of environmental damage. Number 5. Niacinamide can help you manage hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Niacinamide can be used to target dark spots on the skin as it can help to break down excess melanin. Melanin is a pigment found in most humans and animals, giving the skin its unique color. However, patches of excess melanin can form as a result of environmental factors like UV exposure. That's why skin can change color under the sun. Niacinamide can target pigmentation and dark spots by visibly reducing these areas. While niacinamide has powerful benefits for the skin, it remains a very gentle skincare ingredient that is easy to work with. It is generally well tolerated on all skin types, including sensitive skin. This receptive nature extends when niacinamide is used alongside other active ingredients and works well with antioxidants, retinol, chemical exfoliants, and several other skincare ingredients. Begin introducing niacinamide into a skincare routine to visibly improve your complexion, as niacinamide can be helpful for various skin concerns.